Welcome back to TechSpace, everybody. In this video, I want to show you guys how I hit 2 million views on my YouTube channel and how I consistently get views on my YouTube channel. And that's basically going to be what this tutorial or this video is going to be over. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it. So what we're going to do first is look here at my YouTube channel. The number one thing I think that's important to have on a YouTube channel is a header. And number two is a good layout of your videos, explaining, what video content you have, and also having all of your playlists in line. So having your videos in playlists, having them categorized correctly, in order if needed for your viewers to see is very important. And those are things that people will look at when they're on your channel. Especially if they're doing a course or something that is in a playlist and they're noticing that it's unorganized, they're probably not going to subscribe to your channel. They're going to find a different playlist to go to. So you're going to want to make sure everything's perfect in the sense of your header, your layout of your channel, and the playlists that you have featured on your channel. Next, you're going to want to have a good logo, of course, but you're going to want to have vidIQ. So vidIQ basically shows you your stats, shows you how good you're doing, and stuff like that. I'm not going to go too in depth in this video. I've done tons of videos on vidIQ and SEO, so you can go watch one of those if you want to hear the in-depth about vidIQ. But just download it as an extension on Chrome or whatever browser you're using, and it shows you your stats for your YouTube channel. So now, the next thing that we're going to go over is tagging your videos. You're going to want to take time to actually go through the tags for your videos and make sure that they're actually ranking and, people are typing in the words that you are hoping for them to type in. So, this video right here has 466,000 views on my channel, and you can see that it ranks high just for keywords that I've put in. So it ranks number 10 in how to fix keys on a keyboard, keyboard keys won't work, how to fix laptop keyboard, how to fix PC keyboard, laptop buttons not working. So you can see that my videos are ranking pretty decently when it comes to, I'll go ahead and zoom in, when it comes to the vidIQ score for my videos. So I'm creating good tags. I'm typing what I think people are going to type into the search bar when they're looking for a video that's similar to the one that I'm creating. And I'm not going off topic. I'm staying on topic with that video the whole time. I also have a good description of what I'm going to do in the video and links to other videos that I've created on this topic as well. And I also even have my other websites that I have, my Twitter, my Instagram, or all them channels, or all them social media websites as well on here featured, which also gives people who are subscribed to you the chance to go to your other social media sites, which is pretty important when it comes to setting up the video tags and description. So next, you're going to want to have a good title, something that grabs the person's eye, along with a good thumbnail. The thumbnail does not always have to say what's in the title, but it has to relate, obviously. So I could have just put keyboard broken in this, and then just put a picture of a broken keyboard in the thumbnail, and that would have worked too. But again, to each his own. You can create your own and have your own. Everybody has their own way of doing whatever they're doing, so you can create your thumbnail in whatever way you want. Just make sure it grabs the person's attention when they look at it and it's not dull and boring. So as you can see, if I was to choose this background right here with nothing on it, a wallpaper of a moon and whatever that is in the background, then it'd be pretty boring. So a lot of users probably wouldn't click on this video, but since it has the picture of a keyboard and the picture of a schematic in the background, it looks interesting. It looks like the person who made this video knows what they're talking about when it comes to laptop keyboards or laptop peripherals in general. So the person is again intrigued to click on the video, and they're trusting the person that made the video more than they would if the person, again, would have just had this regular plain old background. Now, take that into account. Take it into account again, or not again, but more, that when you're looking or when someone's watching a video, you're going to get suggested videos on the side. You want your video to stand out in the thumbnails because the title's not going to show up in the suggested videos. Thumbnail's going to be the only thing that the person sees. So 30% of the views I've gotten on my channel since I've started doing this have came from, or not since I started, what I meant to say is that 30% of the views on my channel in general are because of somebody clicked on my video that was in a suggested video. So I have good thumbnails, people saw it, somebody saw it, obviously a bunch of people saw it, and they clicked on it. So make sure your thumbnails are intriguing to the person that you are aiming it towards. If you're aiming it towards somebody who likes to exercise, make sure you include exercising equipment, make sure you include a picture of a gym, make sure you include weights, make sure you include all the things that they want to see in front of them. I cater to more of a tech audience, more of like I said, a tech audience. So the people who watch my videos, my subscribers, are more interested in technology, and so I do a lot more technology-based thumbnails, and it just works for most of my videos. So find what works for you, experiment. Don't be scared to just throw a thumbnail out and see how well the video does. If you want to test anything, just go ahead and test it. Why not? If you want to test how a video will do that you've never uploaded before, just go ahead and upload one and see if it works. But I'm not going to go off into a rant on this video. I just wanted to again give you guys some tips on how to get more views on your YouTube channel, and to gain more views and to have more of an audience on your YouTube channel. Because again, if you have a YouTube, that's your ultimate goal, is to get more people watching your videos and appreciating your content. But what comes with that is also spending more time on your content, building a brand, putting the effort into it, reading on it, seeing what other people do that, have similar videos like you, similar channel as you, they have similar videos as you. Just go to their channel, check it out, see how they're doing it, and don't copy them, obviously, but you always have to learn from people who are better than you, and the only way you can do that is to see who else is doing what you're doing, and try to do it better than them. So go figure out how to be in your niche, figure out who's in charge of your category, figure out what they're doing, figure out how you can do that behavior but better and have better results, because ultimately then you'll have that spot, and you'll be where the person that you idolize is after a certain amount of time of putting in the work towards something. So don't give up. If you are making a YouTube channel recently, or you've made one recently, or you've had one for a while, just keep making videos. And if you aren't putting out videos at least, I'd say 5 times a week, then you're probably not going to grow, because there's just so much content coming out nowadays. So stay updated on everything. Watch my other videos on this. It'll help you out a lot if you need it. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.